Hello and welcome. I'm Parul Sharma and you're watching Zoom TV. Today I have with me two people who are constantly used to knocking it out of the park. Please join me in welcoming Shahid Kapoor and Mrunal Thakur. Hello lovely people.
Hello.
Hello. You did this the last time also with me. You made fun of me so much, pata hai?
No, that's
wherever I made
sweet.
fun
Yeah, this
of
is
you,
his
you
love.
said hello, I said hello
yeah,
back.
it's his love for
Yeah.
me.
मैं तेरे साथ casual सा हो जाता.
Firstly, congratulations on a very gripping and brilliant trailer.
Thank you.
बड़ा मजा आया देख के.
Thank you so much.
Now, as we all know, the pandemic has sort of been like a shared dystopian hell for everybody, right? But a few of us have been lucky enough to have spent time with our loved ones and have had the privilege to sort of just be at home. Your profession is one I believe that would not let you spend so much time at home as much as you'd like to. What are like some really cherished memories or moments that you got to spend this time that wouldn't have happened otherwise? Because I mean, you especially, you have two kids at home. I don't think there would ever have been a time that you would have been able to watch them grow up day after day like that, right?
For me, I pretty much made that switch once my daughter got to around 2, where I kind of reworked my day to make sure I get a couple of hours with my children regardless of where I am and what I am doing. So I totally agree with what you're saying, that this is not the only profession. I think there are a lot of professions which require a lot of your time.
Definitely.
But this is definitely one of those professions
yeah.
where you can fall short on time with family. And I've been fortunate enough that I've worked enough now to, when I finally got married and had kids, like I had the confidence and the, I don't know, I was sure that I didn't want to sideline that in any way, you know. And so even before the pandemic, I got substantial time with my family, and that was a very conscious choice I made. And I knew there is a risk of maybe not being appreciated to some degree, but for me that was more important. And this period has definitely been amazing because I have got to spend a lot of time, especially with the kids. But I think they also needed it, right? I mean,
Definitely.
when you don't get to go outside, when you don't get to be normal, the least that can happen is you have your parents next to you. So
Yeah.
I felt it was only, fair to them, and it was a blessing for us, yeah.
So you're one of the smarter ones who scheduled your time well. Well done. Good one.
I think in the long run it always pays back,
100%.
Because, when the kids need you and then you grow up, and sometimes, parents say that, you don't have time for us.
Yeah.
But, that's what matters.
100%.
You should be there for them when it matters.
Mrunal, what
I
about you?
believe things come back always.
Definitely does
Karma
come
always,
back.
comes back.
What about you? Any memorable moments that you would have missed out otherwise?
Yeah, I hugged my father for the first time. Like my relationship with my dad, it's amazing, but we never were, like, we're not affectionate.
yeah.
So something I achieved and something I did, I don't want to say that on camera, but he was extremely proud of me and he just hugged me. So that was really overwhelming. And I remember that, I will always remember that at the age of 28, I hugged my father for the first time.
That's really sweet.
I mean, obviously, when I was growing up, he would cuddle me.
I know,
but
but
this was
like
like the proud hug,
wala.
and I could feel it. Like we both had tears, and it was really over.
That's
That's
so
so
sweet.
sweet.
So that thing, from that day onwards, everything changed.
Yeah.
Like we do really silly things. We've started dancing together. We would play some old songs and chal 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 mere hathi. We would just sing and dance together. So we made it a thing. Like if we are celebrating someone's birthday, we would play music on. We would just play YouTube and just keep dancing like endlessly. Like and I have like videos like for 40 minutes of that. So I don't think I would be able to do that. And I
Ever,
think
yeah?
it's just like the relationship between me and my father has just become like
That is
stronger.
so heartwarming to
Yeah.
hear. I love it. Okay, both cricket and Bollywood are like really, they're like the holy grail in India. Like, let's be honest, cricket is like a very high stakes sort of game with like insane amounts of exposure.
Yes.
And Bollywood also comes similarly with the same amount of scrutiny, and the highs are really high and the lows are really low, right? Now the trailer has quite a few lines of Mrunal's character where she's not being very encouraging or nice.
Not being nice.
I would say. I want to know, in your profession especially, how important is it to have like a supportive partner to kind of just be there with you through the highs and the lows? Also, do you remember a time that a partner was really there for you and held you through a low when you were maybe at like rock bottom or something and kind of was just your rock through it?
I'm looking for that partner.
No, actually, I was
in the
gonna
past
say,
also.
I was gonna say that it's not necessary that your partner has to be like, like your lover or your husband or your wife.
Yeah.
I think there are people who stand by you.
Right.
I know you already have somebody who's
Yeah,
actually
I have
in this
many, yeah.
room right now who's always
And my
stood by you.
sister,
Her
yeah.
sister, I've seen her like, you know,
Always.
I always see her sisters, you know, with these, because she's wearing a mask all the time with these crinkly eyes, and she's so proud of Mrunal. I can see it, you know. And I think that's the most important thing in life, you know, whether it's movies or anything else. I remember there was this one time I won a really big award, and at that time it mattered a lot to me. And I felt like I had nobody to share it with. You know, I felt like I was alone. Some people in my family were traveling, and you know, this was before I was married and stuff. And so I was just driving back in my car, and I was like,
Yes.
"Hey, मैं
Yeah.
किसके साथ share करूं?" You know. And that day it really dawned upon me that we run around wanting to have personal achievements, but they mean nothing if you have nobody to share them with.
Absolutely.
You know, so that's what actually, like, so eventually it is about those people, and you have to be that person to somebody else,
somebody,
and
yeah.
just as how they are to you, and eventually that's what matters.
Yeah, when you go
know,
to your
so
grave, you're not gonna have awards.
you
and
need people to
materialistic
share
things.
life with. I mean, you cannot be an island at the end of the day,
Absolutely.
right? So, and those are the best moments. Like, happiness is always shared in groups. You don't sit somewhere saying, hey, you know, it's like you want to tell somebody something, you laugh, you share, you joke,
Yeah.
you hug. That's life, right? So, of course, I mean, I would say that, you know, of course, right now, because I mean, Meera is that person for me. And my mom has been somebody that has been there. Ishan is somebody I would say falls in that category. So these three people I would say are people who are always cheering for me, and who have my back, and who I have shared a lot with. And my kids still don't know what I do most of the time, so I like it like that.
Yeah.
So yeah, but they like, you know, Meera will be like, you know, Dad finished something really important. Hey, you know, so I mean, they celebrate, and that's that. But yeah, of course, I mean, so those are the people for me.
Wow.
That's lovely.
So partner बोला तो I was thinking.
हाँ, मैं वो ये वही सोचेंगी.
Yeah. जो नहीं है उनके बारे में सोच.
हाँ, वो क्यों ऐसे?
But no, I really want
थोड़ा
to.
senti कर
थोड़ा
दिया ना
senti
question
हो गया.
से.
Shit.
Damn it.
But yeah, so for me, my partner in crime, the person that I dreamt of performing with Shahid, that's my sister. And the best thing is that we did the film together. She does my makeup, and she would always, like, I have this habit of not watching the monitor because I get really conscious. But she would be the one, like, after the director looks at me after the take, cut ke baad, I look at Lochan, and Lochan is like, you can do better. Take on. I said, okay, sir, one more please. So Lochan is somebody, she knows what I can do, but sometimes set pay, it can get overwhelming because all the eyes, the camera is on you, everybody's waiting for that performance, you know, and sometimes it gets really overwhelming. But she would always tell me, just breathe, calm down. Just play through your eyes, like
Center
use your eyes.
looking at her.
So I know we can actually have a sign, we can talk through him, like just looking into the eyes, like you can perform better, just go for one more. And sometimes I did not feel that I was good enough.
Right.
So she is always there who told me that, Mrunal, it's a journey. You have to go through ups and downs, and you just have to enjoy the process. The problem is when you don't enjoy it, own it, and learn something out of it, and then imply and make sure that you don't make those mistakes again. So Lochan Thakur, there she is. Thank you.
Shout out.
Shout out.
She basically has a cheat card, huh? Everywhere she goes.
Good.
Yeah, I'm proud because she
I have a Via cheat card.
No, but she will always tell me if something is not working out, it's not working out, and I don't.
Only
need
family
people-
can be that.
Even my friends, I have 3 friends, but they are equivalent to 3,000. So I like people who tell me what is not working out, and I actually make sure that I don't have those people who tell me that क्या performance था यार, मैंने
Yes,
क्या
man,
निकल अभी तो यहाँ से मेरे को पता मैंने खराब किया है.
Nice. Okay, Shahid, you have of course reunited with your father, the legend that is Pankaj Kapoor, on screen after ages. I'm not going to ask you the cliche, how was it working with him wala question. I want to know, you're welcome. I want to know, what was it like? What is something that you noticed about him this time round as a person or as an actor that you've never observed before while on the set of Jersey?
I just felt very, like, I felt really bad for myself. In this scene,
Why?
in this scene where he broke out into Punjabi, because I was like, ये इतनी ऑथेंटिक बोल रहे हैं, मैं लुधियाना में क्यों नहीं पैदा हुआ? I need to speak it so. It's just he was so smooth with the language, right?
Yeah.
And the backdrop of our film is Chandigarh and Punjab, right? And I think I'm pretty good with Punjabi, you know. But like when he speaks it, it's just like Malai Makhan, you know.
Yeah.
So I remember standing in the shot and he said something. You see the film? It's one of the scenes where he says something. It's just said it so casually.
Yeah.
And I was like, man, I wish I could, you know, use language the way he's using Punjabi here. So that was one thing I kind of felt while I was in a shot with him. So, and that was new. So I thought I'll just maybe share that.
That is lovely. His grasp of the language. Mrinal, you come from TV and you were like superstar level over there.
Was I?
I mean,
Thank you.
yeah. Is it true what they say that like TV actors, or they're all actors, but there's that discrimination in the beginning, which we all know is kind of unsaid. Is it true that it is a bit more difficult for people coming in from television to get the kind of roles and the respect that they very rightly deserve, or was that not your experience at all?
I did not really pay attention. I did what I had to. And it doesn't really matter if they have good things or bad things. I'm here and I'm really happy about this. But also the times that we are in, because of COVID, the OTT platforms have really like, you know, in demand and people are watching stuff. And also OTT have opened the doors for a lot of actors, not necessarily they are TV actors, but from other states as well, like, you know, be it from down south or wherever, Punjabi actors. Actor is just an actor, yaar.
Yeah.
I don't know why there is first of all that discrimination of ये TV actor है, ये theatre actor है, ये actor है, ये वो actor है. But I'm happy that because of OTT also, people are looking for good actors, performers, if I may say so. And trust me, all the TV actors who are watching this interview right now, please do not listen to them. वो सिर्फ आपको distract कर रहा है. Just do what you have to do and just keep your aim and ambition in front of you and just be passionate about what you're doing. लोगों का काम है कहना, just let them speak. Things have become better, obviously.
Yeah.
Things have changed. Things have become better. And now, whenever I meet my friends, they don't have the similar experience. What they like, the bitter experience.
Sure.
Things are getting better, and also the filmmakers are coming up with like they just need good actors. They don't.
Yeah.
They are not subjected, or they're not discriminating for what their background was.
Right.
I was discriminated, and it didn't really affect me. I
Yeah.
take immense pride that I started with TV.
That is absolutely insane. Okay, fun time. Quickly.
खुद अपने आप को फन में डाल रही है, हम फन में ही हैं.
उसको पता है ना वो क्या कर रहा है.
I
और मुझे fun करना है.
because I had to do this with him the last time also, and then he got up charged.
Okay.
Most prized possession.
I'm happy my cat adopted us. That's the only thing I
That's a
can
big
think of.
thing actually.
Yeah.
Getting cats to love you. It's
Yeah,
tough.
he adopted us. We didn't adopt. वो बस आ गया, मैं रह रहा हूँ.
Congratulations, you have made it in life.
Yeah,
I would
made
like
it.
to tell you, 100%.
Yeah, and he's amazing. I don't understand this cat person, dog person, but
animal
he's just animal person, and I'm really happy. I think I really love him. I love him.
What about you?
Well, if it's material, then my bikes. I really love.
Why don't I get
riding
to be on that bike and be on that?
Because we were. But didn't I take you for a?
No,
spin?
you promised, but you didn't.
But तू तेरे
Right
पास
now
डेट ही
when
नहीं
you're
होती है,
heading-
तू इधर जा
But
रही है, उधर जा रही है.
Now when you're going
Now he's taking.
नहीं
me
नहीं,
on a
अभी भी
bike
मैं
ride.
ले जाऊंगा तो मैडम के बाल खराब हो जाएंगे.
I don't care. You think I would care?
झूठी.
Sachi, see, I'll sit like this.
सच ये कि मेरे बाल खराब हो
Your
जाएंगे. I'm just trying to divert
sister
it.
is like
बाल
dying
खराब
over
नहीं हो
it. She's
सकते.
like,
Sorry
don't do
guys,
this.
sorry बाल नहीं खराब हो
What
सकते.
is important is the bike ride. बाल बनाते रहेंगे.
Wise words right there. Okay. Strangest or most outlandish rumor you've ever heard about yourself?
I have not heard anything. Oh yeah, I just heard recently. Someone said I got some surgery done. So I'm like, okay, thank you. That's
I
funny.
just don't understand. Ah, that's a good one.
Yeah,
What
that's a
about
good one.
I have not heard rumors about man. Anybody got a rumor on me? I really haven't. For a while I haven't. I really haven't.
A movie that you really think changed the game for you, or that is the closest to your heart?
In my filmography, I think the reason why I'm a part of all these movies is because the stories have really changed the person, and I think I'm a better human, and I've discovered so many things. Jersey,
Yeah,
Love Sonia, Tufan.
By the way, love Gul Tufan. You're my favorite part of that movie. See, like
you.
legitimately.
Thank you.
I'm not kidding.
So yeah, if I had to rate the, yeah.
For me,
First.
definitely it was Kamine, which changed it for me as an actor for sure. Kamine.
Most frequented Instagram account that you like stalk quickly.
My wife's.
Your
Yeah. I have.
You have to say that.
I don't have to say that, but like it's the most obvious thing to do, right? Like we keep a check on each other, and that's
Yeah.
just natural.
Okay, fine.
I actually, I like Rupi Kaur's account. The poems
poetry.
that she
Yeah,
writes.
yeah.
It's just beautiful. Like, I don't know how she's gifted. The way she just puts everything in those 4 lines, it's just enchanting.
Craziest or most intense thing that you've done for a role?
Crazy thing, but not for a role. I was auditioning actually at that point of time. And I was auditioning for this remake of Forrest Gump. And I got so excited. I was in Vienna. From Vienna, I flew to Washington DC to be at that Abraham Lincoln Memorial when he said Jenny, and he cried. And then I did not get the film. But I'm really, and the funny thing was, after 2 days, I got to know I'm not a part of that film. But I'm happy that because of that audition, I actually went back and I watched Forrest Gump again, and I fell in love with that
classic.
movie. It's a classic.
Yeah.
And I think that's why I'm so crazy to just go there and just sit
The
there and
remake
witness
being
कि ये
licensed
film
and
यहाँ
all.
shoot. Yeah.
Okay.
So ये film, ये scene यहाँ shoot हुआ था. So that's kind of crazy. Something that I have done.
That's
Yeah,
pretty
yeah,
intense.
Yeah. Not intense. That's crazy.
Well, I unintentionally busted my lip on this film. which I
got
think was
25 stitches.
Pretty legit, and I went bald for Heather.
Heather.
And then sat at home for 4 months till I had hair to do another movie. And yeah, even the cricket on this film was very, very challenging. In Urta Punjab, playing a drug addict, an addict. There's a lot of prep that went into that, and even for Kabir, I mean, to be able to channel the kind of angst that the character
Yeah.
had was not easy. You know, especially to get to do certain scenes which were really out there. Took a lot.
And lastly, a movie that you watched the most number of times and why?
I watched A Few Good Men many times, and I keep seeing it. I don't know why. What film?
For me, I think it's Heather.
Really?
Yeah. In fact, I was. You won't believe.
Yay! I am a happy person.
Because all 3 are my favorite. Yeah. Like Shahid's performance. It's not because he's sitting here, but I genuinely love watching that movie. Whenever I do my makeup, I start with Jhelam, the song.
Yeah.
The songs are beautiful. I love Vishal sir. There's so much depth in everything. Shahid's
तू आने वाले सालों में है ना बड़ी एंगस्टी एक्ट्रेस बनने वाली है। तेरे अंदर ना एंगस्ट है। अगर तू रोज झेलम सुन के अपना मेकअप शुरू करती है, थोड़ा यू नो
Peppy number.
Peaches by Justin ऐसा कुछ सुन ले।
नहीं, वो भी वो set पे।
like easy
You know,
vibes.
this song, it just allows you to just calm down.
This is a very fun fact now that you know.
I'm very happy. Can't you see? I'm
Yeah,
leaning towards her in
clearly.
appreciation, thankfulness.
Aw.
Thank you, Pranay.
But there's so much learning. Even Tabu is my favorite. In fact, the reason I really look up to her, and the film that I'm doing next also is because Tabu played a cop in Drishyam. I was like, I want to be like her. I'm taking this role. It's so like so much something fun. So yeah. So Heather is something that I really like. I really wanted to ask you, did you jump in that water from that bridge?
No.
Okay.
If anybody asks you to do that, you can say no.
Yeah. Okay.
They have
You
like
actually-
computer graphics and they figure their shit out.
I was like,
Don't
my
fall
God,
for it.
he must have frozen.
No.
And how?
Love this.
I did shave my hair, but I didn't fall in.
Yeah. But that's my
Sub-freezing
favorite
water.
scene.
However, I do believe in ice baths and I do practice them, and they're the best thing for your health.
Yeah, but also what I witnessed in that movie, if I can say that, is on YouTube there's this video of Shahid performing and niche the screenplay is rolling up. So you can actually see what's not written in the screenplay and what extra he's added. So
He
you know, with
can't
his
She's really like
Yeah.
a super fan of Heather.
yeah,
This is
it's mad.
insane.
I'll share it with you. You know, with his eyes blinking, the way he's like playing with his eyes.
That was magic.
That is just it can't be, someone can't ask you to do so, it just needs to come from within. So
Yeah.
I think Heather, for me.
Thank you so much, guys. This has been absolutely lovely. It was a pleasure chatting with you guys, and best of luck for this. I'm sure it's going to do really well, and you will knock
Kill
it
it.
out of the
Knock it out.
park.
Thank you.